To see how it can dispense liquid.
Okay, I can show you the dispense function. Let's press mode key, and there is volume.
Volume key.
Yes, this function can give you dispensing volume.
Okay.
Let me dispense 100.
100.
Okay, let's press 100 on the pump.
Okay.
100, press 100. And the pause time maybe is 2 seconds, or 1 second is 2. 2 maybe is better. And the bottom numbers maybe is also 2. And the speed is 2000. I think maybe it's a little fast.
Yeah.
Let's change it slower.
Yes.
Maybe the liquid splash out of the tanker. 1000. The speed. Okay. Okay, let me try and already set it.
Okay.
Can you help me give 2 beakers? 2 little beakers?
Little beaker.
Yes. Okay. Let's dispense it here.
This is 100.
Beakers. Okay, we can see that is 100 beakers. And now we can dosing the 100 volume use these pumps. Okay.
Okay, put it down.
Yeah, change the level of this shelf. Okay, thanks for your help. 第二瓶的你需要拿一下啊。First time we needed to use another beaker full of the liquid in the tube.
Right.
Okay, can you help me use another beaker?
Another beaker?
Yes, full of the liquid use the tube.
Okay.
I will use the full of liquid. Okay, full speed. Sorry, is wrong direction. Change it. Okay, at present the liquid is full in the tube.
Yes.
Now, and then we can finish the dosing jobs. Okay, we can dosing 100, right?
Right.
Okay. Are you ready?
Right.
Okay, I will press it. Okay, 2 bottles. And each bottle is 100 volume. We can see that the beaker is filling. Okay.
100?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, 100. 100.
Okay.
Okay. Here's a
Okay, 100.
100.
Yes.
Another. Dosing again.
Okay. Let's start again.
Okay.
And the filling job is faster.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see
There is
again.
another 100.
100.
Okay. It's perfect. It's perfect. Yes, very good. Okay.
100.
We can go.